How do you not get excited about a Friday like this? It's one of the last before summer's over. I'm a bit congested, but I feel compelled to talk a little bit about some Friday focus leading into the holiday weekend here. And I want to remind you that fitness is a lifestyle, my friends. And if eating nutritiously well and getting your exercise routines in on a regular basis is your lifestyle, it doesn't matter much if you trip and fall off track here and there. Don't get all worked up about it like most people do during the holidays. Okay, just get up and get back to the lifestyle. People tend to often self-inflict themselves with all this anxiety that if they're forced to eat these unhealthy foods during the holidays or miss a gym session. Okay, having a run of shit meals or missing gym time will not destroy your fitness goals or your gains with a Z. So as long as you don't really make them a habit, and that's really the goal. On the other note of habits, choosing a diet soda with your daily Whopper at Burger King won't get you those six-pack abs, of course. But see, to me, that's painful in negligence. So let today be your day to do something a little bit different and a little bit better than you did yesterday. Even if you've fallen off the wagon recently, give yourself permission to just give yourself a break. Okay, get back on and ride confidently. Remember, tomorrow's victories begin with a solid plan, and today is practice for that victory. Even if there's a holiday around the corner, okay, we have to make sure that today we're prepared for tomorrow. So ultimately, it does come down to picking your pain. I've talked about this before, okay? You won't get fat eating one bad meal, and you won't get lean eating one healthy meal. You are what you repeatedly do. We all know that maintaining a healthy body is a lifestyle, not a destination. So from me to you, enjoy your holiday weekend and enjoy a pain-free Labor Day weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday for the Monday Minute in good health.